Have you ever watched a legal drama and wondered why a judge stops a lawyer from asking a question or showing a piece of evidence? It might seem arbitrary, but there is a clear system at play, ensuring fair and just proceedings. Judges in both federal and state courts are guided by a precise set of regulations known as the rules of evidence when deciding what information can be presented during a trial. These comprehensive rules ensure that only reliable and relevant facts are considered by a jury or by the judge. The primary reason for these rules is to ensure fairness and prevent trials from being swayed by unreliable or unduly prejudiced information. Imagine a trial where anything could be said, no matter how untrue or inflammatory. That would not be a fair system. Therefore, rules exist to govern things like relevance, meaning evidence must make a fact more or less probable than it would be without the evidence. Another critical concept is hearsay, which generally prevents out-of-court statements from being used to prove the truth of what was said. Judges act as gatekeepers, meticulously evaluating every piece of potential evidence against these established legal standards. They consider whether the evidence is authentic, whether it was obtained properly, and if its potential to mislead or unfairly prejudice a jury outweighs its actual value to the case. In practice, this means lawyers spend a lot of time preparing their evidence and understanding how to object to their opponents. When a lawyer attempts to introduce evidence, the opposing side can object, stating that the evidence violates a specific rule of evidence. The judge then reviews the objection, sometimes hearing arguments from both sides, before making a ruling to either admit the evidence, meaning it can be shown, or exclude it, meaning it cannot be used. A key principle guiding judges is the balancing test, sometimes known as Federal Rule of Evidence 403. This allows a judge to exclude even relevant evidence if its probative value, or its power to prove something, is substantially outweighed by a danger of unfair prejudice, confusing the issues, misleading the jury, undue delay, wasting time, or needlessly presenting cumulative evidence. This nuanced evaluation is often performed quickly and decisively during a trial. Ultimately, the rules of evidence are crucial for maintaining the integrity of our judicial system. They are designed to streamline trials, protect against undue influence, and ensure that verdicts are based on a firm foundation of credible and admissible facts, contributing to a truly fair legal process for everyone involved.